For us, digital is at the core of everything that we do. Primarily, if you talk to us about content, and content is the heart of all Zipdial activities, be it engaging on social media platforms, be it content on video, or using different digital channels like, say, emailers and even mobile, how we use it on a personal level to customize content delivery to our target audience, and even, at the end of the day, even clients of Zipdial. Delivering content at an extremely customized personal level is absolutely critical. With content, what we try to do is we try and see that whatever marketing initiatives we do, it's definitely adding value. So we totally believe in value-added marketing as a service, wherein, for example, our target audience are brand managers. So we try and keep up and present to them insights on what they can do around, say, mobile, which is a hot topic right now. And a lot of brand managers actually are grappling with what is it that comes next for mobile. Is it just apps, or is it ads, or is there more that you can do with mobile, for example? And since we are experts in the mobile marketing space in terms of emerging markets consumers as well, we are now, as a content strategy going forward, we'll have a lot of insights that we'll be sharing with our clients and people who subscribe with us or who partner with us, be it on a fan page or our followers. There's a lot of data that we can share with them in terms of insights and trends, and which will help them make better decisions, therefore adding value at different stages of evolution as they go in progressing into making better marketing decisions. Yeah, so for us, we are actually moving more towards like a mobile relationship management kind of approach. When we talk of mobile relationship management, we're not talking really about apps, or you have an app and you interact, but it's really about how am I taking a conversation with my consumer at a very, very personal level. So now you have content, you see the content on your desktop, you also read it on your phones, you get it as an SMS or however it is, but there is a lot of personalization that happens. So depending upon how you're engaging with us, we decide on what kind of content that gets pushed to you. So taking content at another level will be my focus in the future plans for how we will drive engagement. And of course, events like that of Paul Reiter, it's very, very critical to have live conversations with stakeholders and be very open and transparent in kind of conversations that their learnings, our learnings, and what are the gaps that we can fill to make a better impact with our consumers. And events is going to be a core focus as well, and then we'll learn as we go and see how we can improvise that piece as well. Videos again will be a very, very important source of content for us, because video consumption is growing at a very, very fast pace, and most of this 20% of media consumption is happening on the mobile phones, and it's only growing. So that's going to be our core content focus.